quick comparison between the shutter sounds of the EM10 Mark II and the EM5 Mark III. They're all set to maximum aperture, wide open in other words, and on aperture priority, and I'll point them towards the light. So getting about 100th of a second. This one's probably noisier. Oh. It's slower. Hear that? It's still saying 100th of a second. Yeah. I'm wondering if there's something wrong with that camera. This one sounds better. This one? I think it might be the weather sealing. It just sounds almost silent. When I switch this one off, there's quite a violent shaking. Listen. That's much quieter. And this one, you've got that ultrasonic. But yeah, this one's sounding a bit different now from this one. And it's making more noise on switching on and switching off. And it's got more shutter noise as well. Even though it's a newer camera than this one. And this is a brand new camera. And the shutter is almost silent on it. I actually quite like that. Because you could hardly be heard. If there's any conversation in a room you're using this camera, nobody's going to hear the shutter on this thing.